Today, Grandma will be showing us the benefits of using modern, multi-purpose Jiko. This is the look of her new multi-purpose Jiko versus the old Three Stones Jiko. One of the disadvantages of using the old Three Stones Jiko was it produced a lot of smoke while burning, as you can see. For the new multi-purpose Jiko, it produces less smoke while burning, which makes cooking comfortable, especially for Grandma. Another benefit of using new multi-purpose Jiko is you can use either firewood or charcoal to cook, as you can see.